Hello everyone, welcome to Skyrise Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe it to get notified about the important videos of our UPSC preparation. In this video, we will be discussing about the recent technology initiatives by the central government. The scope of this video includes Yukti web portal, Bharat Padhe online campaign, COVID Can website, CollabCat software, Kisan Rath mobile app. So Yukti web portal is the initiative of Ministry of Human Resource and Development. It aims to monitor and record the efforts and initiatives of the ministry. It becomes important from the prelims point of view to know about these technological initiatives by the central government. Bharat Padhe online campaign is again the initiative of Ministry of Human Resource and Development. It is a week-long campaign for crowdsourcing of ideas for improving online education ecosystem in India. So basically they are inviting suggestions all over the India about how to improve the online education ecosystem, because in the backdrop of COVID-19 pandemic, the online education will be given a boost and it will change the way our schools and colleges function. COVID Can website. Now the aim of this website is to bring scientific and factual aspects on the public domain which are authentic. It is the initiative of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Indian Institute of Science and Tata Memorial Center. This website will help in create public awareness and help everyone interested in understanding the disease and potential means to mitigate it. Collab software. Collab software have been developed by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog and National Informatics Center. It is a collaborative network, a computer-enabled software system which provides a total engineering solution from 2D drafting and detailing to 3D product design, such as 3D printing. The aim is to provide platform to the students of Atal Tinkering Labs across the country to create and modify 3D designs. Let us know more about the Atal Innovation Mission. It is housed at Niti Aayog and is government's flagship initiative to promote the culture of innovation and entrepreneurship among the school children. It aims to establish Atal Tinkering Labs in all districts across India. They have been established across India to enable children to have innovative ideas and creativity. Around 5,000 Atal Tinkering Labs have been established with 2.5 million students accessing it. With the schools being locked down, this software has been launched so that it doesn't hamper the creativity and development of the students. Other initiatives include Tinkering from Home campaign. It ensures that the children across the country have access to useful, easy to learn online resources so that they can use their time in a fruitful manner and they don't waste it around. Game development module has also been developed and it is the platform through which children who generally play games can be transformed from game players to game developers. Last innovative is Kisan Rath mobile app. It has been launched by the Ministry of Agriculture with the tagline Kisan ka apna vahan. It will connect farmers and traders to the network of more than 5 lakh trucks and 20,000 tractors. It has been developed by the National Informatics Center. So main aim of this app is to help farmers and traders who are searching for the vehicle in the current lockdown for the primary and secondary transportation, especially the perishable goods. Primary transportation includes transportation from farm to mandis, FPO collection centers, warehouses, etc. And secondary transportation includes transportation from mandis to intrastate and interstate mandis, processing units, railway stations, wholesalers, etc. The app also has the provision for the refrigerated vehicles, keeping in mind the nature of the goods, which is very perishable. It will also help in giving boost to the intermandis and interstate trade of agriculture and horticulture produce in the country. Thank you, Skyrisers. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to us in the comment section, or you can even mail us. You can download this PDF. The link has been made available in the description of the video. Thank you.